Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Pilot key fob battery. This is a simple process that can save you a trip to the dealership. First, gather your materials. You'll need a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery, which is a common 3-volt battery. You might also find a small flathead screwdriver helpful, though your emergency key can often do the trick. Make sure you have a clear, well-lit area to work in. Now, let's open the key fob. First, locate the small release button on the side or back of your key fob and slide out the metal emergency key. This key is essential for the next step. Next, find the small slot where the emergency key was removed. Insert the tip of the emergency key or a small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist. The two halves of the fob should begin to separate with a soft pop. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Using a small flathead screwdriver or your fingernail, carefully pry out the old, dead CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should fit snugly. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob, making sure the buttons are properly seated. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Reinsert the metal emergency key back into its slot. Finally, test your key fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle. You should find that your key fob is now fully functional, and reprogramming is typically not required after a simple battery change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.